Hello my friends, I'm Tony from Kesu. Today I'm excited to talk to you about the remarkable benefits and applications of CNC machine Aluminium 6061. This material is a superstar of many industries, such as aerospace, automotive, and electronics. Aluminium 6061 is known for its outstanding strength, lightweight nature, and excellent corrosion resistance. When we use CNC machining to work with 6061 aluminum, we can produce highly precise and complex parts efficiently. This makes it an ideal choice not only for prototypes but also for large-scale production runs. Now, why would you choose Aluminium 6061 for your components? First, it has excellent machinability. It's easy to cut and shape, allowing us to create intricate designs and achieve high tolerance with ease. Second, it offers a high stress weight-to-weight ratio. This means that we can save weight without sacrificing strength, which is particularly important for aerospace and automotive applications. Third, it has great corrosion resistance, making it reliable in harsh environments, such as marine and industrial settings. Lastly, its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Let's explore where Aluminium 6061 really shines. It is used in aerospace structure components and brackets. It's essential for engine components and chassis components, and it's perfect for device housing and frames. It can also be used for bicycle frames and skateboards, both fittings and masks. So why choose us for your CNC machine needs? Kesu specializes in 5-axis machining and takes pride in delivering top quality, tailored solutions for all your requirements. Our expertise ensures that all your parts are manufactured with highest precision and efficiency. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to contact us today. Bye-bye.